I chose engineering because I always had a fascination with how things work.
As a child, I liked to take apart anything, toys, computers, if I could get my hands on them, and try and put them back together, see if I could fix them.
If you have a special interest in something, you can develop it here and take it further and even design and build your own ideas.
It worked out to our advantage having the engineering because it will definitely aid us in the future.
I was always interested in computers, as it's the future. As you can see, most applications and businesses use computers every day.
I always wanted to be able to learn how to design and create anything for any job, which is what an engineer does. A lot of people have misconceptions about engineering, that it's all just maths and technical drawing, which isn't the case.
DIT is very interested in working with real-life problems and particularly renewable-based energy projects.
Right now, renewable forms of energy are on the up and up.
And my own project was based on a wave energy converter, and it's the first wave energy converter of its kind in the world that has no external moving parts.
For myself, I've done the kind of medical side of things. I did ankle rehabilitation. There are some students working on things as balloon catheters for heart valves. Other students will be developing automated systems for railway crossings for trains.
A former student is a competition whereby students design and build and test a Formula-style car, a little race car. My thesis is on the suspension design, and in particular the front suspension.
And mine is a medical glove application device. Just slot your hand in and gloves on.
So the great thing about it is you can really just take any idea you want, develop it and make it into an actual product.
Engineering is just so broad, and it's all about new ideas and methods and developing on old ideas and creating better ones.
Most of the lecturers would recognise you on the corridor and know you by name, which is really good because then you can feel you can go up and ask some questions and stuff.
It's great because we've had a lot of interaction with the lecturers. It's a small class size, and it's great to hear in DIT that we learn the technicalities of everything.
There was a lot of boys, which kind of was the shock on the first day, thinking it was a boys' school.
Being a girl in engineering can be a challenge, but it's very enjoyable and great fun. There's lots of facilities here and lots of good lab equipment, and you do a lot of practical work.
It isn't just about engineering, neither is DIT as a whole. There's a lot of sports, a lot of clubs and societies.
Career prospects in engineering are almost limitless.
At the end of the day, I'm basically a trained problem solver, so I don't necessarily have to go into engineering.
Engineering is all about understanding how things work and designing and improving the things we have.
It can be really fascinating to see how it all works.
I'm really looking forward to going out in the world as being an engineer.
Engineering was a great move for me.
You can work anywhere in the world with your degree.
I've had interviews with Toyota and Siemens and Kingspan and Smurfit Kappa and BIE.
It's going to give me a lot of opportunities in life now.
If you have any interest in design, innovation and just how things work, engineering is probably the thing for you.